fabulously sunny afternoon here at Caldecott Lake, and I'm here to tell you the story of Milton Keynes' eldest resident. Millions of years ago, long before modern Milton Keynes was even a dream, this land was submerged beneath a warm, ancient sea. Beneath those waves, remarkable creatures glided, marine reptiles known as ichthyosaurs. Sleek and powerful, their bodies bore a striking resemblance to today's porpoises. These hunters, masters of the Jurassic Ocean some 160 million years ago, pursued schools of octopus, cuttlefish and squid, darting through the water at speeds of up to 25 miles an hour. Their keen senses made them formidable predators, and among them was the ichthyosaur, or eye lizard, so named because it possessed the largest eyes of any known predator, granting it vision even in the pitch black depths. But the reign of the ichthyosaurs would not last. Climate change pressed upon the ancient world, and these extraordinary creatures could not adapt quickly enough. Extinction claimed them, and the seas receded, leaving only echoes of a forgotten era. Fast forward to 1982. As workmen excavated Caldecott Lake in the burgeoning city of Milton Keynes, one struck a patch of fossilised fortune, a nearly complete ichthyosaur, sealed in the earth for 180 million years. The discovery was a stroke of luck, offering an extraordinary window into the city's prehistoric past. Experts from Leicester University were called in to painstakingly preserve and conserve the fossil. 75% of the skeleton was recovered, every bone carefully mapped, lifted, cleaned and conserved. Following its finding, the Milton Keynes ichthyosaur was a quiet resident of Milton Keynes Library, until this year when Iggy, as he is now known, moved to the Milton Keynes Museum and is on display in the Ancient Gallery. The ichthyosaur's move to the museum's Ancient Gallery is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its history and making it accessible to the public.